What up, Tube, and welcome to the beautiful MGM Spa Suite. I have stayed at almost every suite in here, and I say almost because I am a gold member, almost platinum. That's a whole other story. I didn't think it was worth it, and then they changed from M Life to MGM Rewards, and platinum's actually worth it. Where at the time there was only difference was a cruise, but anyway. This room is absolutely fantastic. I've stayed in a master one bedroom suite, corner suite. I've stayed in their staywell rooms, which I do recommend their staywell rooms, but they're only just regular rooms, but they're nice because they have the humidifier and stuff. But the spa suite is by far my favorite so far. And it's just my personal preference favorite. Now, I want to take you around and show you some things. Everybody always shows you the same crap, right? Oh, this is a toilet, this is a sink. I don't want to do that. I want to give you an overview of the room, and then I want to tell you to make sure you don't do this wing, and I will tell you why. So, without further ado, let's show you what's going on. So as you can see, I'm at 9139, which I believe that means this is the 100th wing because I accidentally went to the 239 the other night, and my card didn't work. All right, so you come in, you got this really cool light, which actually works. I was messing around last night with it with my wife on FaceTime. You can even do the old SOS things. Really kind of cool, and it's not like bright. It's just this cool little feature. I thought it's pretty neat. But anyway, so my favorite things about MGM, this is one of them. All of them have an audio panel, audio visual panel. As you can see, my Fire Stick is plugged in right there. Now the difference in this room opposed to the others is this has, as you can see, it has a TV in the middle, the bed's over there. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit here. There we go. So you have the living room here, and then you got a break between it, and you got the bed over there. Now, at first I thought this was going to be weird, but I really like it. The TV turns, so if you have some people and you guys are sitting over on the couch, you can go that way. As you can see, my Fire Stick is on right now. Also, if you've noticed the Mountain Dew, highly recommend going right down the street to Target and getting your snacks and stuff because it'll cost you an arm and a leg to eat out here now. All right, now I don't have a good view, which is why I said watch out for the 100s. And you see, there's my view. All right, now point out a couple of the cool things. I already showed you the Fire Stick TV panel, the TV. One thing I really like about this room is it has a thermostat there for this side of the room, and you wouldn't believe it, but it really makes a difference. And then on this side of the room, it's got another one, so it actually balances out. I can't believe how good it does. And the bathroom is absolutely amazing, and of course, it's called a spa suite for a reason. I'm not going to worry about it. You guys know what sinks look like, but this spa suite, there we go. I mean, this thing is gigantic. I'm 6'1". Yeah, I mean, I can lay in this thing perfect. I mean, it's amazing. So you know how in Vegas you do a lot of steps. Nice walk-in shower. The bathroom it's huge. It's absolutely huge. So, you do a lot of walking in Vegas. I wear a Fitbit, and I put in like 12,000 steps yesterday. So, really, the spa comes in handy. Now, I'm telling you this because if you're an East Coaster like I am, you're 3 hours behind. So I try to stay on my time. So I was in bed, plus I only had like 3 hours sleep yesterday. So I was in bed. I was trying to go to sleep about 9:30. Well, 9:30 here, they have all their shows, everybody's going on, clubs and all that stuff. Well, I want to show you something here. So last night, as you can see, I'm back here, and this is why I say don't choose this leg. I mean, you're literally on the back where they get their deliveries, and then you can see the Aria. A little bit too much here for you. The Aria, the Waldorf Astoria, which by the way, yesterday was a sandstorm, and you can see how that side compared to that side of the Aria is dull and that's shiny. It was crazy yesterday. Like I had sand blowing my eyes just walking back down the strip. All right, so this right here, I started looking. Let's see, last night I heard a bunch of partying going on, and I'm looking out here, and as you can see, there's no party. Even that little thing right there, it's not like the link. So I'm trying to figure out like what in the world's going on. I mean, it's like like really, really, really loud, and it's like so loud that I can hear it over the TV. Like I said, everybody's Vegas is different. I stay on the East Coast time. I use this as a vacation, not just a drunken free-for-all gambling. If you do, you're not going to worry about it. But if you have like your family, which are a lot here at MGM, this might not be right for you, especially if the kids go to bed early. So after I looked at it here, and if you notice, that's an auditorium looking thing. And then, they have Cirque du Soleil here. So I went downstairs, and I remember, so the elevators are right down, your elevator's right down there. So when you look at the elevator, you can see straight down this whole way. So I made sure to walk out that way. Sure enough, that is the Theater. And if you've ever seen which I don't recommend, I got it for free and walked out of it, but to each their own. If you've seen it, it is extremely, extremely loud. It makes a lot of sense. So there's a lot of loud music, a lot of loud bass, a lot of loud like guitars and stuff. It's not set to anything like the Beatles or Michael Jackson. It's just like a bunch of like almost rave music stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what to call it, to be honest with you. But literally, I would say 25 yards at most from the theater there. So if you do book this room, don't stay on the 100 wing. Just that's all you got to remember. Just the wing that runs alongside the car, because it will. If you got little ones especially, will do that. The other cool feature about this is they've got their safe over here. Okay, the safe is right here next to your bed. It's right down in there. A lot of people don't know where it's at. Just wanted to show you that. So anyway, that's my overview of the spa suite here at MGM. Like I said, I just want to do a quick round. I'm not, there's no reason to show you toilets and sinks and crap like that. I wanted to show you the highlighted features, especially the audio panels. So if you have kids, you want to bring your Fire Stick, or hell, they can plug their PS4s or 5s or whatever Xboxes into it. And then the beds are amazingly comfortable, the best beds. That's why I like staying at MGM, because they have the best beds and best pillows, which make a big difference on vacation. I've stayed at we just got back from all inclusive in Mexico, and we never had a good night's sleep because they were so bad. But make sure if you pick this suite, try to stay in one of the other wings, because that's my biggest thing. If you don't care about it and you're one of those guys that's going to be in your room at midnight, it's not going to bother you. But their last show's at 9:30. So if you're in bed with your kids, or you're just trying to stay in your same time, it's going to bump. I think that's pretty much it though for the highlights of the room. I don't want to, like I said, go over what the toilet and the closet and the chair is like a lot of people. So I don't think of any other highlights except for the room is absolutely amazing. It's very comfortable. The temperature, I can't get over how good the temperature is. I have one set at one setting and one set at the other, and they blend so well. And you may ask me why. Well, it's like a mixture, makes it feel like perfect. So I don't know why, but it is what it is. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit me a like and subscribe somewhere down here, I think, around here. And I also have my video of the 1-bedroom master suite here, the corner suite at the MGM as well. So if you want to check out that compared to this one. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was informative, and I hope you guys have good luck when you come to Vegas, and I really appreciate it if you drop a like on the video, and maybe even hit me on a subscribe. Have a great day, and check out for my next video. See ya.